Unity 101 FM, the community radio, is a station focused on using the medium of music to bring people together from all over the world. Not only do they use music, but also sport.
Everybody likes sports, doesn't matter where you come from. It connects people, which is what the ethos of Unity 101 is, and sports is another way of reaching out to that audience who likes sports.
Saturday Sports Show presenter Avsul Sumra says that the show is geared towards delivering sport with a South Asian focus.
We're here to obviously deliver sport for 2 hours with a South Asian focus mostly, so obviously with that South Asian flair as well, we focus a lot on cricket and obviously the Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, teams as well in terms of cricket as well. Because we've got a lot of people at home who follow those nations, of course. They're big, passionate fans. And we make sure we cover that as well as all the other sports as well on the show.
He spoke on his cultural background and how it influences his broadcasting.
My family originates from Kutch, a small village in India, and my parents' background is from Kenya as well, so I've got heritage in India and Kenya. I mean, ultimately, yeah, there's going to be an influence just because people are a product of their environment, they're a product of their background. Obviously, when it comes to covering some of the sports that affects countries I'm from that have heritage in India and Kenya, I'm gonna have it's gonna be, obviously we call everything level here, and everything is very, we're fed by every nation and every sport, of course, but I have a personal soft spot for that. That's where I can really offer that difference, especially with as a Canadian being white British men as well, so provide that different kind of culture to the show, and that aligns with the station as well. So, I'm very proud of that.
Co-host and budding sports journalist Isaac Maddock says that the show has provided experience for his career endeavors and that he feels part of a community even though his ethnicity may not fall into the Southern Asian focus that the station has.
I think it's given me a great opportunity, a great thing to put on the CV. Just lots of experiences, I know how to use all the equipment, and so it's definitely something that universities or workplaces will look for, and I guess give me a little bit of a boost in getting the places and stuff for that. So yeah, it feels like I'm part of the community. Obviously I'm not clearly because obviously it's the South only Asian ethnic station, but obviously that's not me. But I can be part of something as well, and it shows that really it's for everyone, and we're making it for everyone as well.